if sum and product of first three terms in an AP are 33 and 1155 respectively, then a value of its 11th term is what is. In this case, the sum and the product of three terms here. Therefore, let a minus d, a and a plus d are three terms here. Three terms in APL. Therefore, it's a sum here a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 33 here. Minus d and plus d get cancels here. So 3a is equal to 33 here. Therefore, a is equal to 11 here. The value of a is 11. And a product a minus d then into a plus d is equal to 1155. Therefore, a value is 11 here. So 11 minus of d here into 11 plus d, that is equal to 1155. Then this into this becomes 11 square minus of d square is equal to 1155 divided by 11 here. So 11 square is 121 minus of d square. 11 ones are 11 here, 0, 11 5s are 55. Take a d square this side, 105 this side here. 121 minus of 105 is equal to d square here. Therefore, d square is equal to 16 here. So, d is equal to plus or minus 4 here. D value plus or minus 4. So, if a is equal to 11, a is equal to 11 and d is equal to 4, then three numbers are used here. So 11 minus 4, then 11 plus 4 here. That is 11 minus 4 is 7 here, comma 11 plus 4 is 15 here. Okay, these are the three numbers here. Then here we want the 11th term here. So 11th term here. So first term is 7 here. Therefore, T11 is equal to 7 plus 11 minus 1 into common difference. 11 minus 7 becomes 4 here. Therefore, this equal to 7 plus 10 4s are 40 here. It is 47 here. 47 not there. Okay. Then if a is equal to 11 and d is equal to minus 4 here, then the three numbers are. Then three numbers are again used here. Okay. So 11 minus of minus 4 here. Then 11 plus minus 4. So 11 minus of minus become plus here. So it is 15 here. Then 11 and 11 minus 4 becomes 7 here. Therefore T11. Here first term is 15 here. Then plus 11 minus 1 into minus of 4 here. Therefore 15 11 minus 1 becomes 10. 10 4s are 40 here. Minus of 40. Therefore 40 minus of 15 here. It is 25. Minus of 25. Therefore minus 25 is the correct option. 11th term is minus 25 here. In this case, they given A1, A2, A3, dash, 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 AN are in APL. Then they already given here A1 plus A4 plus A7 plus A10 plus A13 plus A16. is equal to 114 here. A1 is the first term here, so write A1 as it is here, plus A4 can be written as A1 plus 3 into D here. A7 is so A1 plus 6D, then plus A10 is A1 plus 9D, then plus A13 A1 plus 12D here, then plus A16 is A1 plus 15D, that is equal to 114 here, is equal to 114. Then A1 and so on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times A1 here, so write here 6 A1. Then 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 12 30 here. 30 plus 15 45. So plus 45 D, that is equal to 114 here. Is equal to 114. Then dividing both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Therefore 3 2s are. So 2 A1. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are. So 2 A1 plus 15 DF. Then this equal to, so 3 3s are 9 here, 3 8s are 24. Take this one as equation number 1 here. And they given this result here. You have to find this value. Therefore, A1 plus A6 plus A11 plus A16 is equal to A1 keep as it is here plus A6 is A1 plus 5D, then plus A11 is A1 plus 10D here, plus A16 is A1 plus 15D. Therefore, this is equal to A1, A1 and A1, A1. So 4 times A1 is there. So right here plus. Then 5 plus 10, 15 plus 15, 30 here. So 30D. Therefore, 2 common factor here. 2A1 plus 15D here. So 2A1 plus 15D value is 38 here. From 1. 2 into 38 from 1 here. 38 into 2 becomes 76 here. Therefore, B answer here. Okay, find the sum of the series here. You just observe here. First write your Tn. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on write your n into. Then here 1, 3, 5, 7 here. So 1, 3, 5 and so on here. Therefore Tn is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 here into Tn. 3 minus 1 is 2 Tn here. So write here n minus 1 and the common difference is 2n. This is 2. N into 2n becomes 2n. Then minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 here. Therefore n into 2n minus of 1 here. This is nth term here. Therefore here we want its sum here. Sn is equal to summation of Tn. And take n inside here. 2n square minus of n. Therefore this is equal to summation of 2n square minus of n. Therefore write 2 as it is here. Summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Minus of summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2n. Here we want sum 11 terms, sum of 11 terms. Therefore S11 is equal to, put n equal to 11 here. So 2 into 11 into 11 plus 1 becomes 12 here. 11 2s are 22 plus 1 are 23 divided by 6 here. Minus of 11 into 11 into 1 becomes 11 plus 1 becomes 12 here divided by 12. Therefore this is equal to So 6 ones are 6 twos are cancels here. 2 ones are 2 6 are cancels. Here is 11. Here also 11 here. You can take 11 common here. 11 is the common factor. Therefore 2 into 2 into 23 here. Minus of 6 here. Therefore this equal to 11. 2 twos are 4 here. 23 into 4. 92 here. So 92 minus of 6 here. Therefore this equal to 11 into 92 minus 66 gives 86 here. So 11 into 86 becomes 946 here. 946 B is the answer here. So let the sum of the first n terms of a non-constant AP A1, A2, A3 dash 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 should be 50 n plus n minus 7 divided by 2 into A. So that is A1 plus A2 plus dash dash plus AN is equal to 50 n plus n minus 7 divided by 2 into AN. Therefore, the sum of n terms here, it can be written as n divided by 2 into bracket 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is the common difference here. Then this is equal to 50n plus n upon 2 into a, n divided by 2a minus 7 upon 2a. So 7 divided by 2a. Therefore, here take d inside the bracket here. N divided by 2 into bracket 2a1 plus n into d becomes nd minus of d. Then this is equal to 50 n here minus of 7 divided by 2a plus n upon 2 into a, n upon 2a. Therefore, take n by 2 inside it, means n by 2 into this term here. Okay, n divided by 2 into 2a plus n d, 2a plus n into d is equal to 50 n here minus of 7 divided by 2 into a. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Then this into minus d here. So minus of n into d divided by 2a. Okay. So this is equal to n divided by 2a, n upon 2a. So in this case, to take 2a minus d here, 2a minus d in the bracket here, 2a minus d is equal to this one, and n into d here. Okay, n into n upon 2 here. So okay, so there is one more n is there. So here one more n is there. Therefore write here n here. Okay. Therefore here sum of this term is this one here is equal to 50n plus n into n becomes n square upon 2 into a minus 7n into a, 7n into a. So similarly here n upon 2 2a plus n into d becomes nd minus of d is equal to 50n plus 7n divided by 2a plus n square divided by 2a. Therefore n upon 2 into 2a minus of d is equal to 50n minus of 7n here upon 2 into a, and here n upon 2 into nd, it is n square here. Okay, and here it is a plus sign. Okay, because plus sign is there. So n upon 2 into this one here, n square upon 2 into d, n square into d upon 2 is equal to n square divided by 2 into a. Therefore this n square by 2 cancels here. So So D is equal to AN. So put D is equal to A here. Therefore 1 becomes 1 divided by 2n into 2A minus of D is AN, that is equal to 50n plus 7n, so minus n. So minus of 7n divided by 2 into A. Okay. Then dividing both sides by n. Divide this full equation by n. Therefore remaining here 1 upon 2n into 2A minus capital A is equal to, so 50 minus of 7A divided by 2, 7A upon 2. Therefore 2A, so 2A upon 2 minus of A divided by 2 is equal to 50 minus of 7A divided by 2. Then this two get cancels here. Take a minus A by 2 this side here. Therefore A is equal to, so 50 minus of 7A upon 2 plus A divided by 2. Therefore this is equal to 50. So 2 LCM here. Minus 7 plus 1 become minus 6 here. So minus of 6A divided by 2. Therefore 50 minus of 3A. Therefore A is equal to 50 minus of 3A. Here we want A50 here. Therefore A50 is equal to, so A is this one here. So 50 minus of 3A, then plus here. Then 50 minus 1 into D is this A here, into A. So you are using this formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into A. You are using this formula. Okay, here A means this one, 50 minus 3A plus n is 50 here, 50 minus 1 and D is A. Therefore this is equal to 50 here. So right here 50 minus of 3A. Then 50 minus 1 is 49. So 49A. 49A. Therefore this is equal to 49 minus 3 becomes 46 here. So 46A. Therefore here we want D comma A50. The ordered pair D comma A50. That is equal to D is this A. So right here A and A50 is this one here. So 50 plus 46 A. So first option is correct. A comma 50 plus 46 A.